I'm Cole.
Hi, I'm Ethan, and today we're answering all your questions.
Questions.
Yeah!
Yay!
I'm excited for this one. And our first question comes from 08808 Blake left wood cool kids 001 foot. Can you download Block Sword? Well, here's the thing. I can. We could do that. That's an idea. That's a good idea. We can try that eventually. Next question is Minecraft Buster Gaming. Could you start a gaming channel? And also, Austin Alex asks, can you start your own review channel? We're planning a channel very, very soon about both of those, so stay tuned on our channel for that. Next question comes from Kareep Cartery. I have a question for you. What is your favorite dinosaur?
I like Spinosaurus.
I probably have to go for raptor. Good question though. This one comes from the same person we began with. Do you hate Cool Kids 001 and love shark toys?
I
don't even know what Cool Kids.
Other occasion, I like shark toys.
I don't know what Cool Kids is, but I do like shark toys. This one comes from Peyton Gamer TV PG TV. Do you like Jurassic World? Yes, I do like the movie Jurassic World.
I do.
It is my favorite Jurassic Park movie so far with the Thomas Rex.
Yeah. And Indominus and the Spino. And the T-Rex.
Santa Chase says, another Five Nights at Freddy's video, love Sam. We can do a Five Nights at Freddy's video. I don't see why not. I mean, good. Alex Pinzon asks, what's your favorite video and toy? I don't know if you mean like our video or like anyone's video. So we're just gonna do our favorite video of anyone and our favorite video of ours. So I'll let Chloe go first.
Ethan Gamer TV.
Mine would be actually be Unlisted Leaf, and our favorite video that we've made is, you can go first.
The Bullfrog.
Bullfrog's pretty good. I'd have to go with the Centipede one. That one was probably my favorite. And then my favorite toy,
I would say sharks.
my favorite toy, personally, is Pokemon cards. I love those. Cedric Alatia Atlas says, play Roblox, please. Wait for that channel. It'll be popping up eventually. Yasmine Valentine, are you a big fan of Star? And put me in a short out. You mean Star Wars? Because I really like Star Wars. We are giving you a shout out right now on our YouTube channel, so. Dan Surprise asks, what's your favorite video game? What's your favorite food? And what's your favorite cartoon? My favorite video game is probably Pokemon Rumble World.
Pokemon Go.
Pokemon Go is a good one. My favorite food, I'd have to go with ice cream.
I will have to go with macaroni.
And what's my favorite cartoon? Probably Teen Titans Go.
I probably like Jaws. Jaws is a good one.
I don't think that's a cartoon.
Oh.
If you haven't seen Dan Surprise, and you like sharks and stuff, like sharks and dinosaurs and like Godzilla and stuff, like crazy stuff like that, check out his channel. It is awesome for that, and so just go check it out. Ultra Gamer 2778 asks, my question is, how old are both of you? I am 8 years old.
I am just 4.
And the last question is Josh Toy Show. Make more shark videos. Yeah, we can do that.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Daddy wants
All right, kids, today we're going to have Arctic sea animals, and we're going to see which ones we got. But we have to make it cold. It's cold in the Arctic. So the only way to do that I could think of is with dry ice.
Yeah.
And the problem with dry ice is it's very dangerous. If you kids ever want to play with dry ice, you always have to get a parent to do it because it'll give you frostbite if you touch it. So don't ever, it'll burn your hand. It's no fun. But it's really cool when you put it in water. So first what we're going to do is smash it up. Break it up into little pieces.
With our handy dandy
Alright, so now that it's broken up into little pieces.
And you can see the seam, maybe. Well, I can see.
Yeah, sometimes it'll steam. See? See how cold it is? It's really cold. So first we're going to make it really cold. We're going to see how this works. And then we're going to go inside and I'm going to dump a whole pound of it into the sink. Alright? Let's do it. Oh no, we got a big mess here. Whoa.
This is everywhere.
Let's see what's in here. Here we go. What's in the first one? Oh, we got a whale.
Looks like they're swimming.
Yeah, it does, huh?
Okay, I'm gonna get the next one. A killer
A
whale.
killer whale. Look at it. All right, what's next? We got seals and the, what is that? What is that? That's a walrus, isn't it?
I think so.
There we go. There he goes.
I got
Oh,
a whale shark.
a whale shark. I got a big shark.
He doesn't like it. Looks like my hand's disappearing. I got a whale.
Oh, that's a big whale.
I can open his
What
mouth.
kind of whale is this?
Humpback? No, not a humpback. I forget.
No, this isn't a humpback. This is like a blue whale or something.
Well,
What else we got? Whoa. Oh, there's that shark again.
we got a little crab.
A crab.
I think a spider crab.
Uh-oh, he's gone now.
Bye-bye, crab.
Like that.
Oh, and we got, oh,
Come here, fucking guy in there.
we got a shark.
Let's see what else we got.
We got another shark and a walrus. Dude, there's just this fin.
Come on, fucking guy in there.
That's it.
That's everything.
This.
You want to see how cold this ice is? Watch this.
Oh
Put that
yeah.
in there. Look at the quarter even. It shivers.
Just like turn like.
See, it's like shivering. That's how cold the ice is.
Like,
Wait,
will it turn white?
Okay.
you turn white.
No, but feel it.